Hello and welcome back. Make these stuffed eggplants for this Holi as a change of routine and something different for the whole family to enjoy. Let's see how to make these. Come on. We will start with the stuffing first by combining some of the everyday simple ingredients to make this dish extraordinary. All these are fresh ingredients to welcome spring. Now here you can add sugar instead. Kanda lasun masala will give a unique taste to the stuffing. This is a sweet, spicy and tangy stuffing and can be used for bitter gourd or karela also. Mix this well and we will proceed with the next step. Here I have baby eggplants and I have slit them on opposite sides. Let's start stuffing them. Use a good amount of stuffing and stuff them as tightly as possible. Take your time and fill them completely. Once one side is stuffed, we will do the same thing to the other side. Check out the description box for the full recipe. Perfect! If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on all the yummy and amazing recipes I post every week. Stuff all of them similarly. All these are stuffed nice and tight and still have some leftover stuffing which we will use now. We still need to cook these, so I have some tempering to be done before we go ahead with the cooking. Crushed garlic will give an awesome flavor to the dish. We don't need to brown the garlic. This is the remaining stuffing and we just have to mix it well until well incorporated and it will cook with the eggplants. Arrange the stuffed eggplants in a single layer on top of the mixture. Make sure the mixture is nesting the eggplants well. No need to add any water as water will release once we cover it and cook on low flame. See how much moisture is released. Now it's time to turn them over for the other side to cook. Cover and cook them completely on low flame. Now this is a semi-dry dish, so we don't add any extra water. Perfect. The eggplant is cooked and now for a final garnish and we are ready to serve these awesome stuffed eggplants. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another amazing recipe. Until then, bye.